is Thursday, April 3rd, and you have a couple of things you need to get done today. If you're looking at your pacing tracker, you probably need to get going on lesson 5, and then you're going to do this Aspire to Do this Costas Kahoot. It's an extra op, so it's extra credit. If you want to do it, you can. You don't have to. And then there's a mastery assessment in Schoology. It says Costa's Mastery Assessment. Okay. I just want to give you a little instruction. So pay attention. I know it's hard for you to sit, but here we go. The first thing you're going to do is use your Costas flipbook to ask questions about an article. And the article you have here, it's called Bullies Mocked His Shoes. His friend 12 got him a new pair with his own allowance. Every time you see a question, so there's a question here, okay, question mark, question mark. Every time you see a question mark in the text, which you're going to get from the sub, I want you to open your Costas flipbook after you read that section, and I want you to write, so you can use your pencil or pen to write in the margin a question about that section that you just read, okay? It's a really good story and I really love it, but I really want to see some Costas level 2 and 3 questions. There are 10 questions that you need to generate on this text. Once you're done, you can turn it in. You don't have to have the sub stamp or sign or anything unless you really, really want her to. You can. I can also do it when I return. Okay. Then when you're done with that, okay, then you can do the Costas Kahoot. The link for the Costas Kahoot is right here, okay? And to get credit, to get the extra credit, you have to use your first name, okay? So if you put some crazy name in there and you do the link, do not come to me and say, Miss M, I didn't get my points. It's probably because you didn't put your name, okay? So use your name for that part, okay? Then when you're done, you can do the Costas assessment. It's in Schoology in the week 2 folder, and you are allowed to take it 2 times. I hope you watch this video so that you know that you can take it 2 times, okay? If you finish all of that, and that should take the full class period to get done, but if you do finish it, there is a Costa unit reflection, and there's a link to do that. I don't think you'll have much more time, but if you do, if you have missing work for Avid or for Core, you need to sit at your table and get that done. If you have nothing else to do, you've done all 4 assignments, you can play chess or NitroType. You are not to be touching my materials. We lost that privilege yesterday as people were moving materials all over the classroom. You can earn it back next week when I return. I hope I get a wonderful sub report today. I know that you guys can do it. And if you do it, you know that you will get a little treat when I return. And that is it.